Do you know a lot of people don't even know that you can use coconut to make your jollof rice? Yes. So if you know you are among the people who don't know that we can use coconut to make our jollof rice, oh yeah, now carry your ejoko, come closer, let's make this delicious coconut jollof rice together. Hello everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, I'm making coconut jollof rice. Now what we want make today, my people, na in be days. As you all can see at the beginning of the video, we have already washed and cuttingable all our peppers that we'll be needing on this recipe, including carrot. I added carrot into that pepper. Okay, don't miss that part, my people, because while making your jollof rice, sometimes you need to garnish it with a little of carrot. Okay, that's what happened there. Remember, my people, we are making coconut jollof rice. Now what we they make now in be this one. So in our protein, I add coconut milk. Okay, now that our protein is ready, the next level now is for us to start making our stew for our delicious premium coconut jollof rice. This is the tomato paste we'll be needing on this recipe. Okay, I'm using everything. We stir everything together for it to be fried from some minutes. This is how it's going to look like after you have fried it for few minutes. So the next thing now, we are going to be adding our pepper. The day I was making this delicious coconut jollof rice, I was a phone call with my family member. Okay, a family member of mine called me, and as we were talking, she was hearing some noise from the background because my children were asking, "Mommy, when the food is going to be ready?" And she was like, "What are you guys making that is making your children to be hungry and asking?" Then I told her that I'm making coconut jollof. She was like, "Coconut jollof rice?" I said yes. She said that she had never heard of that before. I was like, wow. She later told me that, please, when you are done making the food, I hope you are recording it. Once you are done, please send me the video so I can make it. I said, okay, no wahala. If I not send that for you, who I go send and give before? So my people, tell me, you when they watch this video now, have you make coconut jollof rice in your house before? If yes, let me know on the comment section. The way this my coconut jollof rice take come out, you not go believe her. It gave me everything that I need in this my coconut jollof rice. 100 over 100 minus nothing. You see how this rice many so now 2 kilo now I make. Or more this 2 kilo of rice it don't last me 2 days in my house because now weekend now to make her. Everybody in my house did not eat anything again apart from this coconut jollof that you guys am seeing here. That was the only thing everyone in my house eat throughout that weekend I make this coconut jollof. If you know say you don't watch this video reach here, it may say you did enjoy that, but you know what, like, you know what, follow, you know what, even leave comments, you know what, even share, give your loved ones. Kilo day. What is going on? Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as una take the support una get. Look at it now. Our jollof is jollofing already. Madam Tess don't still come again with her spoon. Una dey fear. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.